This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China, and today I will show you this kind of product, our control valve. Okay, follow me. VCI and the roast bags here. The label, Shumatt logo. If you want print with your own logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, and so on. This part, the product code F00RJ02377, the application model number 0445120167 and 0445120295 and 0445120327, 0451200376. This is a QR code. Inside, we have two forms of our packages. Today, I will talk about this one. We have whole side, also sell the separate parts. The cap, the valve cap with coating and curved letters. The valve roll, yes, the valve roll in different lengths and sizes. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all. Yes, about warranty, 6 months. About the product, about the warranties, yes, 6 months. About the control valve, I have 3 tips for you. First, clean it with oil. Second, make sure the valve cap in the right position. Third, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the details we are showing today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.